Hey everyone, welcome to Edge Science, which is an abbreviation of Explore Data Science. Well, this video is going to be an introductory one where we would be just having a candid walkthrough about what we have planned for this channel. This channel is going you to walk through about essential integrities and in and out things regarding the data science, starting from the basics, MIS, dashboards, reporting softwares. The basic softwares which you've been using since so long, like Microsoft Excel, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI, walking you through the robust softwares and the statistical tools like SAS, R, and Python. On the higher side, we are going to have a walkthrough with the predictive modeling, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and all the higher and advanced applications. So this channel is going to be the umbrella and a unique place where you will have everything regarding the data science. This channel is going to be helpful for the people coming from any walk of life or any background, technical or non-technical, and want to enter in the field of data science. We are committed to building the best learning experience inside and out, making Edge Science the best place for you to learn and creating the best space for the online learning experience. Make sure you do subscribe the channel to explore the data scientist within you.